Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick review of the Koda Aprons. Now, Coda is a company based in the United States, and they specialize in aprons. Now, they have all different types of aprons of different materials, colors, sizes, etc. And for this video, I'm going to give you a quick unboxing, and I'm going to try the apron on, of course, and from there, I'll give my overall opinion on it. So without further ado, let's get started with the review. Okay, here's the box. Right here it says Chameleon thanks you. And as you can see right here, it says 100% American organic cotton. It's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh wow, look at this. It's pretty nice. Let's see what we got here. Oh, and here we have an instructional booklet here. It's pretty nice. Tells you all you need to know about the company and the aprons. It has the different sizes. It also has a collection. There's a lot of different collections here. Just flip the pages. And at the back, as you can see, there's they got some little test items here. 100% organic cotton. The look and feel for this, it feels really genuine and real. And look at this here. This is a little piece of their leather. Oh yeah, you could tell this is real leather right here, ladies and gentlemen. Don't get no better than this. And underneath here, they have the many different colors of the different aprons that they have here. Okay, so we have light gray, black, tobacco, moss, fern, avocado, red, lavender, sweet potato, natural, turquoise, marine blue, denim, caramel, khaki, gold, honey, yellow, and fuchsia. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh, timeless style built to last. It's a pretty nice booklet. Pretty nice. Really nice. All right. And let's see what we have here. Oh, look at this. Get a little quick card. Koda Aprons, comfortable, durable, unique. Little thank you card. It says, thank you for becoming a Coda brand ambassador. This apron was made in Georgia with 100% American made materials. We pride ourselves on making the most comfortable, durable, and unique aprons in the world since 1989. Go ahead on, Chef Kuna. I think it's Kahuna, I meant to say. Oops. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Let's see what else we got here. It also comes with, it also comes with a card. And this is the person, I think this is the owner of the brand of apron, Chef Kahuna. Yeah. And it has their contact information right here. In case if you want to jot that down for future reference. Get a couple of seconds. Alright, there we go. Oh, and look at this here. Oh man. They give you a skillet handle. Oh, this is nice. And I have a cast iron skillet too, so this is going to be great. Alright. And oh, I wonder what this is. Oh, okay, this is a natural leather condition. Apply a small amount of conditioner to the leather using your fingers. Definitely will be using this in this video too. I'm gonna give this a quick test too. Won't be testing out just the apron. I'm gonna test this out too and see how this works. It's really nice. And now for the apron. Oh my goodness, look at this here. Wow. They got my red and they got my name on it. And look, they got the, look at that. They got the textile and everything right on point. Go ahead on, Coda. Oh man, this is nice. Real nice. I'm gonna have to try this on. Oh yeah. I can't wait till I open this up. So let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Okay, and one last thing before we try the apron on. I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna read this to you. Coda canvas products are machine washable, even those with leather trim. They can be tumbled, dry, and ironed. Do not use bleach. Please don't. Do not dry clean. Leather should be treated with Coda natural leather conditioner as needed. And here's a little number down here. I guess that's their little helpline number. Alright, so let's try this baby on. Alright, y'all. Here's the apron here. Just want to give y'all the demonstration. It's just the front part of the apron. And here is the back part of the apron. I never put an apron on like this before. I've never seen this right here. This is something different here. And it feels really authentic. The material feels really nice. Pretty good. I don't know how to put this on though. Find out today. I'm gonna just do like how I put on my aprons in the past. Alright. Let's see here. Okay. Got the little straps. Oh, okay, these are nice. Okay, this is cool. Alright. Guess you got the little straps right here and just adjust as needed. Okay, you can turn around. Hope y'all can see me. I'm just gonna tie this. I'm gonna just tie this right quick. Alright. Oh yeah, it fits real good. Oh yeah, nice fit. Feels very genuine and authentic. Got the little pockets over here. Hope y'all can see. Man, this is nice. Oh yeah, this might be a little staple for my channel. This is a nice apron, man. Real nice. The material, like in my old aprons that I wore, this material here is much thicker, and you can look and tell how well, I mean, it's so well crafted and well put together. Oh yeah, it gets an A+ in my book. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. Love it. And then it got my name on it too. I mean, man, can't ask for nothing better than this. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little preview, because I know I ain't show y'all my whole I ain't no model or nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just turn around a little bit, show y'all how it looks, you know. I hope y'all can see my whole, not my whole body, but you know. This is how it looks at the back. I hope I put it on correctly. Yeah. Oh yeah, man, this is real nice. I love it. Loving it already. I might use this in my next video. Oh yeah, man, it's real nice, real nice. Alright, okay, here we have our skillet handle, and here we have our bottle of Coda leather conditioner, which came out of this wonderful bag here. Okay. Alright, for the skillet handle, let's read this. And just bring it up so you can see. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay. This cast iron pot handle is made from the same hard-working leather that we use on our aprons. Just slip it over the handle of any cast iron skillet or griddle. Do not leave on skillet while cooking. Do not put it in the oven. And there is the information number down there. And oh yeah, they have the web address on there as well. Hope you can see that. Yeah. Well, it looks like it might. It's definitely not heat proof or anything. So I guess you probably would just have it on. I don't know why you would use it if you can't put it on the stove and cook with it, I guess. So, but it's still a nice thing to have, though. Yeah. Go ahead and cut this off. I'm sorry about that. Okay. All right. And here is the Coda conditioner. As you can see, that's 1 ounce. How it looks on the inside. That's how it looks on the inside. Smell, it's not a fragrant smell. It's definitely something that like, it smells like something that you could put in an engine or something. It just, I don't know, it has a different kind of smell to it. It's not something that, it's not, like I said, it's not fragrant or nothing like that. So I mean, it's probably something that you would probably add on to leather, of course. Yeah, so it's pretty nice though. It's pretty nice. Okay, I added the skillet handle on the edge of the paper. I'm gonna just take a little bit of the leather conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply a small amount onto the leather. Just a little bit more. I don't know if I'm adding too much or too less. I'm just gonna massage that into the leather. You only need a very small amount, like a pea amount. just a little small, itty bitty tiny amount, probably like 1/4 teaspoon, maybe less than that, 1/8 teaspoon at the most. Now I guess that this is supposed to soften the leather. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna put it on the cast iron skillet. Okay, here we have our cast iron skillet, and here we have our cast iron skillet handle here. And it's been a few minutes since we put the leather conditioner on it, and it actually feels softer than before. At first it was pretty firm, and it has gotten soft, so that leather conditioner works. It's pretty nice, and it has a nice smooth texture to it. It's very nice, feels really good. I'm gonna go ahead and just place the skillet handle on the handle of the cast iron skillet. And there you have it. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. I like this. The only thing is that too bad I can't leave it on while I cook, you know. But I guess this is this skillet handle is heat proof to a certain extent. Like they say, don't put it in the oven and don't leave it on the stove while cooking. So maybe if it's still hot, I could just grab it and put it on there. But I don't know. It's too much of a risk for me, you know. Yeah. But overall, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice to have. Oh yeah. Now for this, let's see what kind of grade I'm gonna give this. I'm gonna actually give this a B. It's good to have, but since it's not 100% heat proof, I guess, you know, yeah, it's the only reason why I give it a downgrade. But other than that, it's very good to have. It's really nice, and I like it. Yeah. And that's it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the review. I hope it was helpful to you. And if you want to check out their products or even purchase a product from Coda, their official website is Coda, Koda, USA.net. That web address again is Koda, USA.net. I also want to take this time to thank the people of Coda for giving me this amazing apron. Thank y'all so much. It is really nice, really authentic material. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. Then it got my name on it too. I mean, man, you can't ask for anything better, you know. Wonderful. Anyways, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.